Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the new topic 3D geometry. So this is the very easy topic. ఎలాంటి స్టూడెంట్ అయినా ఈజీగా చేయగలిగే టాపిక్ ఇది. సో మీరు ఈ వీడియోని స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. డెఫినెట్గా 2 మార్క్స్ మీ ప్యాకెట్లో ఉన్నట్టే. వితౌట్ డిలే కమింగ్ టు న్యూ టాపిక్ 3D geometry. So this is the 2 marks weightage for intermediate board exam. Now first we will discuss types of geometry. First, one dimensional geometry. One dimensional geometry means it is having only length or breadth. For example, we can consider a line or line segment AB. Clearly it should having some 5 centimeters length. Or for example, if you draw like this is AB. So this is also 5 centimeters. Clearly one dimension means it is having only length or breadth. Clearly that is called what? One dimensional geometry. Next one, two dimensional geometry. That is 2D geometry. So 2D geometry means, so simply it is having length and breadth but not particular length, particular breadth. So for example, we can consider any plane. So already we discussed in the previous topic. We know that plane is a surface. It is having length as well as breadth but not particular length, particular breadth, which moves endlessly in all the directions. So that is called what? Two-dimensional geometry. And coming to three-dimensional geometry. So 3D means simply it is having length, breadth and thickness but not particular length, particular breadth. For example, if you consider any cube. See here. Clearly this is a cube. So clearly this cube is having length, breadth as well as height. So clearly which is a 3-dimensional. So coming to next topic, how to represent a point in 2-dimensional as well as 3-dimensional. So first 2-dimensional. So for 2-dimensional we can consider the 2 axes. This is x-axis and this is y-axis, and the point of intersection of the axis is origin. For example, a person starts at point O. He moves parallel to x-axis at a distance some x, and again he starts from here. He moves to parallel to y-axis. This distance is some y. Now clearly this point can be represented as px comma y. X is the x coordinate and y is the y coordinate. So clearly x is the horizontal distance and y is the vertical distance. Or simply x is the distance travelled by a person along the x-axis and y is the distance travelled by a person along the y-axis. So this is the representation of a point in 2-dimensional. And coming to 3-dimensional. In 3-dimensional we have to consider 3 axes. So that is this is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is z-axis. Now the point of intersection of the axis is origin. For example, a person starts at point O and he moves parallel to x-axis at a distance some x. Again start from here he moves parallel to y-axis at a distance some y. Again he starts from here and he moves parallel to z-axis with some distance z. Then this point can be represented as px comma y comma z. Here the coordinate x is the distance travelled by a person along with axis x-axis, and y is the distance travelled by a person along y-axis, and z is the distance travelled by a person along the z-axis. So this is the representation of a point in 3D. See here, for example, the point A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2. Then the distance between AB, so already you know that is difference of x coordinates. We can write as x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But in 3D, the distance between AB, that is the point A is x1 comma y1 comma z1, because we have 3 axes in 3 dimensional, and the point B is x2 comma y2 comma z2, and the distance between AB can be written as square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So just extra z coordinates are added in the 3 dimensional. So remaining all formulas are similar. Okay. Total we have 6 formulas. So based on these 6 formulas, we have few questions. So once you go through these formulas,